Hey, I'm Chris with CarryOnUSA.com, Affordable Medical. Let me tell you about this carry-on Buzzaround. Awesome, tons of videos. But what I'm pointing out today is the Kickstand. We're the only company offering the Kickstand for the GB-120. This provides an extra lifting handle at the back. It also allows for this to be stored in an upright position with the seat off, and when you're at a hotel room or on a cruise. This allows to easily load it into the car instead of trying to find a handle to grab. There's not one at the very back, but now we have one where you can lift and load. So this thing's awesome. Now this one's in blue. We have them in a solid black with no logo, and now we have them with our CarryOnUSA.com logo. So we're going to be offering some big discounts on our CarryOnUSA.com kickstand. So if you have a carry-on from a different company and you want to order one, these will be on our website soon. You can get a big discount on these. We also are going to be doing hydro dip customized ones. And this is a white one. It's going to go in our ice cream paint job carry-on. That's all white. So any more questions, visit us at AffordableMedicalUSA.com or CarryOnUSA.com. And don't forget, we give you a free bag for the back of the scooter. This is an $80 value. We give it to you for free. So if you're looking for a nice scooter, check out the carry-on at CarryOnUSA.com. We ship quick, we ship fast, and we stock parts. Thank you so much.